Welcome back. Congress has suspended its former minister Alex Sequiera for anti-party activities during the Lok Sabha poll. They have also criticized Parrikar on renewal of mining leases. Congress party feels Parrikar's decision to renew mining leases is against Modi's auction policy.
He was the former Nuwe MLA and the power minister of the Congress party. Alex Sequiera has been suspended from the party bearings. He has been suspended for anti-party activities during the Lok Sabha poll.
Suspension order के लिए साहब ये मुंडा की बात श्री Alex Sequiera ex-MLA of Raya Lotuli Manjir.
Congress has strongly criticized Parrikar's decision on renewing mining leases. They said it is against Modi's auction policy.
Decisions which the government has taken in mining clearly shows and states that they have totally defied the manifesto of their Prime Minister Modi. On the day of Vijay Sankalp rally on 12 January 2014, Modi along with the state and central leaders had promised the people of Goa. Modi was on record saying that mines would be auctioned, the natural resources need to be auctioned, natural resources of India need to be auctioned.
This particular thing to renew the mines to these 27 people, do you want it scrapped or not?
Government should challenge this in the Supreme Court. We want mines to be auctioned.
When questioned about Marvin Godino's conduct during Lok Sabha election, the party said results will be known during the next General Assembly election.
After 2 years, you all will come to know when the time of giving tickets, that time you all will come to know what action the Congress party will take. That is enough for him.
Meanwhile, Congress MLA Alexio Reginaldo condemned the opinion of BJP spokesperson Dr. Wilfred Mesquita on opposition party performance during monsoon session.
As an opposition, आमको पड़े लोका के विषय आले, जाऊं कैसीनो चेर, जाऊं आरपी चेर, जाऊं हुंचे इशू आमी हेल्था चेर, जाऊं कामधेनु स्कीमी चेर, मागे काम तुगे हुंचे इशू चेर ते आमगे सगळे पर्सनल इशू. आत्तेक जो दिसता हे आमगे पर्सनल इशू नी म्हणून जाल्यार तेणे सांगपाचें की आनी तुमी लोकांक इशू घेना काय. जे आम इशू घेयले ते सारके पर्सनल इशू आमकां लोकांक. हुंय तरी आमी आमगे प्रयत्न जाला लोकां पर्यंत वचपाचो, लोकांगे विशय जावं असेंब्ली मांडपाचे.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with Omkar Fadari for Prudent.
It was an alarming afternoon for the passengers travelling in Amravati Express from Howrah to Vasco. A bomb was suspected in the train. The train was halted at Kurchone railway station. A person by the name Vishwas Bagi intimated the Kollam police of a bomb in the train. Bomb disposal squad searched all 3 bogies, but it was a hoax call. Police are interrogating Vishwas Bagi.
Amravati Express train was halted for almost 2 hours at Kurchone railway station. On an intimation of Vishwas Bagi, Kollam police halted the express train. Passengers were evacuated from all 3 bogies. Bomb disposal squad and Kurchone fire brigade was called at the railway station. After intense search for the bomb, it was known that the intimation was fake.
We received the call at Vasco Railway Police Station at 2:30 informing that there is a bomb threat on Amravati Express train coming from Howrah to Vasco. Accordingly, we informed the bomb squad. We self-rushed to the spot here at Savate railway station where the train was stopped. An entire train was checked by the bomb squad with the dog squad as well. And now after checking has been done, we have come to know there is no any threat on the train, and the train is going to proceed to Vasco now. And we have apprehended the person who had given the call and will interrogate and why such call was made while. Now train is safe to travel.
After 2 hours of halt, the train was back on tracks to Vasco. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Government premises and property is being used illegally by PWD workers in Vasco. Some PWD pump operators have made the pump house as their dwelling. They stay there free of cost with their families. The electricity and water bills are borne by PWD. When asked, the assistant engineer of PWD, Vishwambar Bande, was unaware of the PWD workers' room rent, bills or their stay with the families.
Have a look. This is the pump house at Vasco. Some pump operators have made this pump house as their dwelling. They stay with their families. They have all the means and necessities for a living in the pump house.
Family अभी लाया
हाँ?
अभी लाया सब
फैमिली अभी लाया
लेकिन रूम अकेले के लिए रहने को दिया था। कौन रखा तुमको यहाँ पे?
जय रखा था।
जय रखा।
लाइट का बिल कौन भरता है?
वो आपस लोग का भरता है।
तुम लोग नहीं भरता है? पानी का बिल कौन भरता है?
पानी का बिल भी नहीं भरता।
Not just this, the pump operators have accommodated their relatives too in the rooms next to the pump house.
साला है।
साला को इधर लाके कितना महीना हुआ?
हाँ? वो रूम कौन बांध के दिया? तुम्हारा खर्च से बना के वो बना?
PWD बांध के
पहला ही था, सिर्फ आके रह रहा है।
But the assistant engineer is ignorant about the illegal stay in the pump house.
These are existing there for a long time.
Now, who has built it? The person was staying
Now,
there.
since it is temporary, it is possible that even during the construction of the tank itself, they might have been constructed. But I am not sure. I have to get the data from my previous colleagues.
But is there provision they can stay with their families, providing them? You are providing them electricity full, but from
No, they are not allowed to stay there with their families. But these rooms are existing there for a long time. Maybe before I have joined here, I have not disturbed the system because we already have a shortage of staff. So these people are beneficial in controlling the walls.
Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.